Curious about how values play into the art of trading stocks? Uncover what experienced investors look for and how it impacts their investment choices. Investing in the stock market involves risks, but with a well-thought-out approach, it can yield rewarding results. By focusing on the principles and strategies of experienced traders, you can lay a foundation for smart decisions that can grow your wealth, but also invest in a way that aligns with your values. With our 5-day Unlock the Stock Market Challenge, you can learn to master the 4 things TRADEway believes you must understand to become an effective trader. These 4 keys can help you avoid excessive risks and align your financial goals with what truly matters. Patience and diligence are key, as steady, thoughtful growth is often more sustainable than chasing quick profits. With the right plan in place, you can make informed choices in the stock market to build a lasting legacy. Start shaping a future that grows with purpose. Click the link below to learn more.